All right, abnormal cool works its way into the desert Southwest, and we can all say yes, but maybe not so much yes to the winds, because that again kicks up allergy concerns. As we can see with your RV World Yuma Skycam, the haze there in the background, just in the Yuma area as well. And then we go beyond this as far as your satellite radar is concerned. You got that system that's pile driving its way into the Intermountain West. We're not getting the brunt of it, but we certainly are getting the wind brunt of it, as you're seeing right here with the wind alerts. Yes, I mean, encompassing lots of real estate with either high wind warnings or wind advisories, which incidentally doesn't really include Yuma County, but we're certainly getting it all through Imperial County, even some high wind concerns over near Ocotillo as well. That's going to go from now until 8 a.m. tomorrow. So that's an all night long kind of ordeal for us. And speaking of the winds, here we go. You can see that we've cranked it up to some degree into the 20s. And we're supposed to crank it up even more as we get on into the evening time as well. So we could have winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour, possibly even 45. As you can see, the temperature is affected at this moment. You can see the temperatures pretty much from some cases high 70s, other cases mid 80s over in the Imperial Valley on the eastern side of the desert Southwest. We're kind of rolling for the most part in the high end 80s, if not the low 90s. So the dynamic beginning to change as far as the mercury is concerned, and we're going to be feeling it for the next couple of days. Here's that weather dynamic we were telling you about. This thing definitely rolling into the Intermountain West, and yeah, we're not getting the brunt of it by any means, but certainly the isobars being squeezed certainly bodes well for the wind coverage that we're getting. And there it is right there, all those little tight lines that you see right there. That's the instigator of those winds that are continuing to churn and will do so through the duration of the evening. And as far as the future winds are concerned, here we go. I mean, we could potentially even get winds up into the 50s. So that's not out of the realm of possibility, and we'll keep our eyes peeled on that for your Metrocast. 80 degrees by 7 p.m. But notice the winds are just going to keep rolling through the evening. Your air quality index brought to you by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. We're moderate for the most part, and don't be surprised if that continues to deteriorate. And for your extended forecast, we do have 70s next couple of days, which will be nice. And then we really start to roll those temperatures right back up. So yes, we were talking about a 20-degree plus swing in temperature back the other way, but we'll enjoy what we got while we have it.